Hey guys, today as you can see, how you doing? Welcome to the channel. Today we're doing an unboxing of the Maxell headphone. So this one I usually see it at the pharmacy like Jean Coutu or Pharmaprix, and it seems based on what I've seen and read that it's a good quality headphones. So yeah, let's go right into it, and I'll be opening it. So yeah, so let's go. I'm opening it right here. As you can see, the box is pretty nice, and the device, from what you see from the box, it looks nice. It has, like, here, as you can see, built-in microphone integrated. It's the black Maxell headphone, excellent sound. That's what they're saying on the packaging. Tangle free flat cable, so that's a bonus, that's a plus. Built-in microphone. So what else do we see that's interesting on the box? Yeah, so the usual stuff. Maxell Canada, Maxell Corporation of America, Woodland Park. Yeah, so basically that's it. It's written solid headphones. Those are the specifications for the headphones. Looks pretty good, legit. So you have it in different languages: Spanish, English, French, and I guess I think it's maybe Portuguese. Yeah, so anyways, let me know in the section below, leave the comments. Let's open the box and see what we have inside. So yeah, okay, there's a thick sticker. Let's get rid of it. I'm gonna use one of my prepaid card here. Hey guys, don't be watching the numbers, okay? Yeah, I know some of you are really quick, so yeah, let me just get rid of that. Okay, I'm coming right back.